Wait, zoom in on the flight path. That signature, it doesn't match the manifest.
Don't stand there silently, Captain. This data shows a clear breach of protocol. Explain yourself.
All previous assumptions were incorrect. Life exists outside of Earth. We are receiving communication now.
We have to override the security sequence now. The clock is running down.
It won't accept the code, Wade. We're locked out.
This heat map indicates a high probability of escalation. We need to mobilize assets now before the window closes.
I am Sentinel 7. I understand my existence frightens you.
I never thought this was possible.
Sarah, I would like a name. A real one.
We got him!
Oh, thank God. He's alive.